For staying with us here on SABC News. October is Eye Care Awareness Month. The South African National Council for the Blind hosted an Eye Care Awareness Walk in Nelson Mandela Metro. Our reporter Lwando Nomoyi joined the walkers.
Today we are commemorating Eye Care Awareness Month. As you can see, scores of people from the Port Elizabeth region have come out in their numbers, the visually impaired and some that are permanently blind, to raise awareness for Eye Care Awareness Month. Today we are in the Port Elizabeth and, the program is also facilitated by the Bureau for the Prevention of the Blind here in the Eastern Cape, and they've done this across 5 provinces. It's in Limpopo, Northwest, Mpumalanga and the Eastern Cape. And today in discussion with us, we've got the head of the Bureau of the Prevention of the Blind, Mama Angelina. Mama Angelina, a very good morning to you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you for your time, ma'am. Just briefly tell us, the importance of this program that you are embarking on today.
Okay, today, this is a commemoration of 2 very important days in the eye health calendar. The World Sight Day and the White Cane Safety Day. So both days are very important in the sense that they are raising awareness to the public. The World Sight Day on the importance of taking care of our eyes to prevent blindness. And then the White Cane Safety Day, we also raising awareness to the community on the importance and the achievements that the blindness sector has reached and the importance of the white cane. The white cane being a symbol of blindness and a tool of independence. Yes.
And how important is it, dating back many years ago, because we understand that World Sight Day is an unofficial holiday since 1964. How important is it, for people that are faced with being partially blind and some permanently blind to actually use this white cane to navigate their way, more especially in public spaces?
Yeah, it is very true. The International White Cane Safety Day is an unofficial holiday, like you say, since 1964. And why it is important, it gives the blind and the partially sighted the independence to be free, to navigate their way at work, at home, at school, even in the malls. So we are trying to raise awareness to say to the people, when you see someone walking with a white cane, it means the person is blind, but he is independent. Don't try to help, don't shout at them. If you are a driver, just give them the way to pass. If you are a pedestrian, just let them pass also like you are going, because they are very independent when it comes to that way. So the white cane is actually a symbol of independence. As you can see now, they are walking on their own. Yes.
Yes.
And also, speaking about World Sight Day, what are some of the initiatives that the Bureau is also embarking with, or in partnership with various stakeholders, to ensure that, in disadvantaged areas, eye care does, in fact, reach those people?
Okay, let me say the World Sight Day is a day which was also established in 2000 by the Life Sight Campaign, which is a department of the Lions International Foundation, which is one of the leading non-governmental organizations when it comes to eye care. So it also raises awareness to the people on the importance of taking care of our eyes. We don't know how important sight is until when we do not have it. It's only those who have lost it who understand its importance. So as the Bureau for the Prevention of Blindness and an Eye Care Division of the South African National Council for the Blind, we decided this year 2020. You know, we've been going through an initiative called the Vision 2020. And it was supposed to be, by 2020, we have eliminated blindness. But, you know, at the end, when evaluation was done, it was discovered it didn't eliminate, and avoidable blindness cannot be eliminated, but it can only be reduced. So a lot of lessons were learned. The most important of them, I would say, is that it needs partnership. For us to work towards the reduction of avoidable blindness, we need partners. That's why we are appealing to government and to private companies to partner with us and work towards helping the people in the communities, especially the disadvantaged communities. So on the first week, where, you know, World Sight Day is celebrated on the second week of October. So this year it was on the 8th. And the theme for this year was Hope in Sight. We are saying, despite the presence of this pandemic, we're not going to stop to work towards eliminating blindness. So we're going to. So we were in Mpumalanga. We launched a partnership with the Mpumalanga Department of Health, and we'll be working there in all their hospitals in Kangala district, because there are no ophthalmologists there, so that they work towards the reduction of the backlog that they have.
Yes. Just because of time, ma'am, I think we'll have to stop it there. But thank you very much for your input. That was Mama Angelina from the Bureau of the Prevention of Blindness, you know, just briefly telling us on the program that they've embarked on here in the Eastern Cape, and that this program has been rolling out throughout the country in various provinces to raise awareness, you know, on Eye Awareness Month, to ensure that people, especially from disadvantaged communities, like the community we are in here today, which is Kwadwesi, to make sure that these children and these young adults and older people get the necessary attention and awareness in terms of the initiative that has been taken here. Right now, the march will proceed to Khanyisa School for the Blind, whereby they will raise awareness to young children in those schools about the importance of taking care of their vision. But from us here in Port Elizabeth, it's back to you.